Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Maggie. I am your English teacher.
Hello, my name is John. I am learning English.
Very good, John. This podcast is for English beginners. We will speak slowly. We will use easy words. You can listen. You can speak with us.
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start. We start with hello, hello.
Hello.
Good. Again, hello.
Hello.
Nice. Now, you, listener, say hello. Good job. We can also say hi, hi.
Hi.
Very good. Hello and hi are friendly words. Now we talk about names. I say, my name is Maggie. My name is Maggie.
My name is John.
Great. Listen again. My name is Maggie.
My name is John.
Listener, your turn. Say, my name is... Good. Pronunciation focus. Listen carefully. My name. Name.
Name.
Good. Stress is on name. My name is Maggie.
My name is John.
Now we ask, how are you? How are you?
I am fine.
Good. Listen. How are you?
I am fine.
Listener, your turn. How are you? Good. You can say, I am fine. I am good. I am okay.
I am good.
Nice. Pronunciation. I am becomes I'm. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Good. This is connected speech. I am becomes I'm. New question. Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
Very good. Listen again. Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
Listener, your turn. Where are you from? Nice. Pronunciation. From. From.
From.
Good. Stress is soft. Where are you from? Now we practice simple sentences. Listen and repeat. I am a student.
I am a student.
Good. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Listener, repeat. I am learning English. Well done. Stress and intonation. Listen, I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Now, just listen. No speaking. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Maggie. I am an English teacher. I am happy today. John, what did you hear?
I heard hello. I heard my name is Maggie.
Excellent. Listener, what did you hear? Good listening. Now you speak. Answer John.
Hello. What is your name?
Listener, answer. Great. Speaking is important. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's practice sounds. Listen. H. Hello.
Hello.
Good. F. Fine.
Fine.
Nice. Listener, repeat. Hello. Fine. English has music. Listen to the voice. How are you? I'm fine.
How are you? I'm fine.
Good. Listener, try. Words connect. Listen. What is your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Very good. Listener, repeat. What's your name? Let's talk. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's John.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
Great job. Let's review. Today we learned hello, hi, my name is, how are you? I'm fine. Where are you from?
We practiced listening. We practiced speaking.
Yes, we practiced pronunciation, stress and intonation, connected speech. You did very well today. Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you. See you next time.
If you like this lesson, please like the video. Please subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.